Attention, experience, amazing.
When you clicked on the site, you saw a man. He was not that magic, not a Peter Pan. His circuits were not made in Japan. His name was Moodle Man! He's here to help you through the site, to give you some motivation, some technological delight. Now here we go, without further ado, it's Moodle Man, the Moodle Helper Dude.
Today we are going to be discussing forums. Forums are a powerful communication tool within a Moodle course. You can think of them as online message boards where you and your students can post messages to each other while easily keeping track of individual conversations. Forums are the primary tool for online discussion and are the central organizing feature in the social course format. Here we have an example of a Moodle forum that was used in an English classroom. This is a great example of how you can use forums to engage your students in discussions regarding what you are going over in class. This particular one gives students a discussion on Hamlet, talking about the characters, and as you can see, just kind of glancing through the responses, you get some great input from students on what's going on in the classroom. Forums allow you and your students to communicate with each other at any time from anywhere with an internet connection. Students don't have to be logged in at the same time you are to communicate with you or their classmates. Some other contexts in which you could use forums will be within your professional learning communities. If you have questions to others that you are working with regarding how they teach a particular topic, that's a great example of a place in which you could use a forum. For this first one, here is an example of how a forum can be used in a professional learning community. As teachers, you can pose a question to other teachers to solicit input on how they teach a particular unit or get ideas about activities to better engage students in the learning process. The great thing about these responses is then they are archived, so you can go back to them later that same school year or the following year, and that information is going to be easily available. And because forums are asynchronous, students can take their time composing replies. They can draft and rewrite until they are happy with the results, instead of feeling under pressure to respond immediately. Research indicates that individuals are more willing to participate in an asynchronous forum than they are willing to speak up in class. Teachers and students who might be afraid of embarrassing themselves by making a mistake when they speak up in class can double-check their responses before they send them in. So here's an example from Now you have an opportunity to respond to a discussion forum and have your opinion heard. If you log into your Moodle 101 course, which you were given instructions how to log into in the previous session, you can find a discussion forum on your vision of Moodle. If you look at the little quotation marks, this is your icon or your symbol for a forum. So if we click on Vision of Moodle, there's a question here where we would like to solicit your opinion of how you would like to see Moodle used within your classroom, within your building, and within the district. So all you have to do is click Add a New Discussion Topic, provide a title, and post your response to the question below. Then we hit Post to Forum, and your response will appear. All right. Now, if you want to create your own discussion forum starting from scratch, it's under the Add an Activity, select Forum. Now, if you would like to create your own discussion forum, simply click on Add an Activity, select Forum, give a title to your forum, type your question in the text box below, and hit Save and Display. Now you will have a discussion forum here where your students can reply by simply adding a new discussion question or discussion topic, and it's as easy as that. So have fun and happy Moodling.